So in these short videos that we're making about mental problems, problems that people don't really talk about. If you're going through mental problems, you're struggling, you don't really, not everybody likes to talk about the problems. So we're going to give you a few ways and talk about this hidden problem that people face, especially because we're in lockdown. A lot of people are having problems and, they don't want to discuss it with others. So one advice I'll give you, I'm sure you guys been watching our little videos. Another advice that I can give you is maybe if you can, try to meditate. Now, you don't have to be a religious person or a person who, spiritual person to meditate. What I mean by meditate is take 5 minutes out of the day, go to a quiet room and sit down and think about, the things that you want to do with your life. Think about the, things that you've achieved in your life. Just take 5 minutes out of your day. Think about the things that you're grateful for. Second exit. We're going. Think about the things that you're grateful for, and that will just give you a break throughout the day with facing all these problems and dealing with all the problems. At least you can sit down for 5 minutes for yourself and just meditate. Sit down in a quiet room, breathe in, breathe out. Definitely, I would recommend that. And I know it might sound like, what's the point? But we not that we're living a hectic life right now because of lockdown. But this can't go. Taking the third exit. But the routine catches up with us throughout the whole day. We get lazy, we don't do anything throughout the day, and we're fighting with others, we're thinking about our problems. Just 5 minutes, sit down and don't think about anything except for the things that you're grateful for. So that was a really short tip in how to help yourself with any mental health problems that you're facing. I hope that any problems that you guys are facing, that it gets resolved and you end up with a happy situation. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School. Thank you for watching.